Alright, well, it wasn't raining, and now it is, but I feel like I'm already outside, so why not? So we threw a log in here. I was just kind of testing things out just to see if it would actually hold it or not, and no, it won't. I have a little kickstand down underneath, so like most things on YouTube, don't try this at home. I'm going to buck this up, we'll put on the splitter, and run her through. Well, usually with the aid of the processor, I don't have to worry about the chainsaw, so don't judge my chainsaw technique, but we got her done. All right, well, I know they weren't big rounds, but rounds nonetheless. We knocked down into little itty bitty pieces, so hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like splitting the rounds on this. It was an older piece of maple, but I'm waiting for my spring delivery of logs to come in, so I'm kind of scraping at the bottom of the pile. So it's what we had around. If it wasn't a rainy day, like I said on the other video there, we were going to go mobile, and we got some big oak and different pieces around the area, but there's no chance that I'm loading up, chaining up, and traveling just to get downpoured on. It's one thing to be wet and be at home, and another thing to be wet and away. So again, the SplitForce SF1116 in action, does have a 20-inch stroke cylinder on it, right about a 4-second cycle time. And oh, I know what it was. From other videos that are out there, people were always saying that the conveyor is really noisy. Well, SplitForce has put these little white poly pads on there, so as it goes around, it's not metal on metal. It does give it something to slide on. The other thing that really contributes to conveyor noise is the speed. There is no reason to have this thing flopping 90 miles an hour and just slapping around. I should take the camera over here and show you, but there is a speed control on this. 0 being all the way off and 10 being ludicrous speed. We have this running right about a 3. So, I mean, you saw how fast we were filling it, and the conveyor had plenty of time to get the wood up and away. So maybe if you're doing like bulk firewood pieces, you might want to go to like a 4 or a 5. But for doing the kindling like what we have going on here, that was actually right about, you know, a 3 on the dial. So like I said, I'll grab the camera and show you just what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the side of the unit, and then right in here is the conveyor speed control. So like I said, 0 is all the way off up there to the left, and 10 being all the way down to the right is kind of your ludicrous speed, and we're setting right there on the number 3. All right, well, I'm gonna call this one a wrap and go down and get out of some wet sawdusty clothes and go on with the rest of the Sunday afternoon that we have going on. So again, the SF1116 from SplitForce. Would love to get you a sales quote. Just as always, these videos that we do, they're a marketing promotion so we can reach you, the potential customer, so allow us to earn your business with the sales quote. Give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Maybe I'll even throw a promo code out there, and we'll figure out what we can do with that, with something with a destination charge or something. Just use the code LAZY, and we'll go from there with it. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on around the woodlot here. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.